Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new school year. I'm your child's teacher, Mrs. Vagley, or Coach Vagley, and I'm excited to see what the year brings. In this presentation, I will be going over my open house packet and important things you need to know throughout the year. So let's get started. Here's an overview of the list of topics I will be covering: technology, agendas and folders, homework, nightly reading, appointments and vacations, snacks, PE and music, rotations, distance learning, expectations, COVID-19 guidelines, reminders, and contact information. K through 4 will be using an app called Seesaw. This app is meant for daily work, announcements, and communication between home and school. Be sure to check daily. Please check with your child as you will be receiving a packet with all of the technology information you will need for the year, including apps, usernames, and passwords. Please put this in a safe area and have it readily available. iPads will be taken home daily. Please make sure they are charged and brought back for the next in-school day and used for school work only. If you need a charger, please let me know. Agendas are a communication tool used between home and school. Students will fill these out daily, so please be sure to check for anything upcoming. If you need to remind me of something or ask a question, you can always write this in their agenda. Folders are meant for your child to store their schoolwork for each subject. Your child will have a folder that is essentially like a binder. Always check with your child before removing anything from folders. If they are unsure, please have them check with a teacher. Throughout the year, students may have homework. In 4th grade, we do have a study hall at the end of the day to allow students to finish any work that needs to be completed or is missing. Also, we allow students to finish work in the morning before school starts. However, this should not be an excuse for students not to do homework at home. It is recommended to read 15 to 20 minutes nightly. By 4th grade, students should be reading chapter books. However, other types of books may be discussed with me to adapt to your child's needs. Students have the opportunity to receive an award for 18 book reports and 36 book reports or more from the state. For more information, check out the document for book reports posted on Seesaw. We will also be using an app called Epic that has thousands of online and audiobooks to choose from at all levels of reading. If you know your child will be absent, please let me know 2 days in advance. If anything needs to be sent home, I will collect it and send it with your child. If your child will be absent for more than 1 week, they will receive their work upon return. You can also check Seesaw for daily assignment uploads too. We will have 2 snacks throughout the day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. I do not have a fridge, so please plan accordingly. Also, please provide a healthy snack for your child. PE and music will alternate on Fridays this year. PE days will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8:35 to 9:10, and music days will be on Mondays and Wednesdays from 8:35 to 9:10. Due to COVID-19, Mrs. Schmidt will not be lending out tennis shoes, so please make sure that your child has a pair for class. This will be our 3rd year of doing rotations. We have found this to be very successful, and we hope this continues. Above are the teachers and subjects they will be teaching. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the teacher above. As a 4th grade team, we have 3 simple expectations for distance learning: complete assignments, be in attendance daily, Monday through Friday, and check in with their teacher. Check-ins will be done through Zoom. Check out my open house package for ID numbers and passwords for each teacher. Here are a few COVID-19 guidelines. Water fountains in the hallways will not be in use. However, they can use the fountain in my classroom to only fill their water bottles, so it is highly recommended to bring a pre-filled water bottle to school. When we rotate, teachers will be the only ones rotating versus the kids rotating. Masks will be mandatory when Mrs. Zahn comes into our classroom, so students will need a mask during that time. Also, students that go to Title Reading or Title Math, MTSS, or the resource room will also need a mask as it is mandatory. Breakfast will be from 8:20 to 8:35 in our classroom, and until further notice, no guests will be allowed for breakfast or lunch. Here are a few reminders before we wrap things up. All paperwork that you received at open house, if you could return by August 28th, which is this Friday, or as soon as possible, that would be greatly appreciated. You can return it to me in my classroom. Please note the light purple and coral colored sheets need to be signed by both parent and child. A few other reminders: doors will open at 8 a.m. instead of 7:50, and school will be starting at 8:20. It is optional to bring birthday treats for your child's birthday. If you do plan on bringing treats, please bring them in the afternoon around 2 p.m. Also, if possible, have them pre-packaged so that it is easier to hand out to students. You can contact me between 8 o'clock to 8:20 a.m. or 3:15 to 3:45 p.m. by phone or in person. You can also email me as well or message me through Seesaw. I coach JV volleyball, so there will be times where I will be absent due to practice or matches. Please keep in mind, if it is any time before or after these hours, there is no guarantee that I will return your message until later or the following day. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. My open house packet will be posted on Seesaw in case you want to read more in depth about the topics discussed in today's presentation. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see what this school year brings. I hope you have a great day.